Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable and disable app drawer on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the home screen. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on home screen layout. Now from here, you can either select home screen and app screen or just home screen only. We will select home screen only. Now from here, just hit apply. Now as you can see, we have successfully disabled the app drawer on our Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to enable the app drawer, just tap and hold on the home screen. Now from here, just tap on settings and tap on home screen layout. Now from here, just select home screen and app screen. Now from here, hit apply. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable and disable the app drawer on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.